In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a site from SharePoint in Microsoft 365. This process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to approach it with care to ensure that the right site is removed, as this deletion is permanent. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft SharePoint webpage. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to do so at this point. Look for the Sign In option, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials. Remember, you must have the necessary permissions to delete a SharePoint site. Usually being an administrator or a site owner is required. Once you're in SharePoint, identify the site you wish to delete. There's a handy feature that makes this step straightforward. The Settings gear icon. It's located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, so go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to accessing the configuration settings for your site. Upon clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Site Information. This option provides you with a detailed overview of your site, including options to modify its name, description, and settings. Most importantly for our task today, this is where you will find the option to delete the site. Now, look toward the bottom of the Site Information panel. You should see the Delete Site option. Clicking this will set the process in motion, but don't worry. There are a couple more steps to ensure you don't inadvertently delete a site. After you click Delete Site, a confirmation box will appear. This is a critical step. Be sure your intention to delete is firm because, after proceeding, the site and all contained data will be lost permanently. Carefully read the confirmation message to ensure it pertains to the correct site. Before proceeding, check the confirmation box to indicate that you understand the consequences of this action. Once you've done so, go ahead and click Delete to finalize the removal of the site. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted a site from SharePoint in Microsoft 365. It's a simple process, but one that carries significant implications, so always be certain that deletion is the right step. Remember, there's no undue rush when handling such operations. Accuracy is more important than speed. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated this task. It's essential to make sure you are confident in managing these settings responsibly. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy SharePoint managing, and I'll see you in the next video.